Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Food with Sankalp. In today's episode, we are at the iconic Hyderabad brand Karachi Bakery. You're right, we are not at the outlet but at the manufacturing unit. As part of our mega factories, today we are at Karachi Bakery's chocolate plant where we would like to see the entire bean to bar process. And to talk more about it is with us is Harish Ramnani.
Hello Sankalp, welcome to our mega factory for making chocolates.
It's a pleasure for us to be at your mega factory and I'm dying to see the chocolates, how you make it and taste it.
It's a pleasure having you here. I would definitely like to share and show you how we're going to make the bean to bar chocolate.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Let's
so get ready.
rush into it.
Yeah.
Let's go. Thank you, Mr. Harish Ramnani, for letting us into your chocolate factory and taking us through the entire process of making the chocolate. So, can we begin?
Yeah, it's a pleasure to welcome you Sankalp to the
But-
chocolate factory.
Thank you so much. But before that, I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Your name is made a lot of impact in the entire country and across the world.
Yes.
The brand, I am sure everybody are aware of it. Karachi Bakery, established in 1953 by your grandfather.
Yes.
But why Karachi Bakery?
So the story is that my grandfather was actually originally from Sindh in Karachi, which was in Pakistan before 1947. So when they moved during the migration process to India, they started this first bakery business, which was here in Hyderabad. The only memory that they got was the name Karachi. So that's how they kept the name Karachi, and that's how the business was first named as Karachi Bakery, and then we started growing and we started making products of Karachi.
Brilliant, brilliant. I'm sure people across the world are aware of the entire range of products
Yes.
which Karachi has.
Yeah.
And today we are going through one of that
Yeah.
million products which you have right now. So let us go through the process of making bean to bar.
So here I'm going to explain to you about the bean to bar process, which starts from these raw cocoa beans, which we are procuring from Idukki, Kerala, from a very good organic farmer from a single estate.
Oh, so the origin is Indian origin.
Indian origin, single estate from Idukki.
Oh,
Yeah.
brilliant.
So these are all sorted beans which we are buying from the farmers in Idukki. And after getting these beans, we then roast them at a temperature of 140 degrees for about 40-45 minutes. We rest it for like few hours, like 6 hours, where the roasting process gives it a nice development of the aroma into the cocoa. Then after that, the process of dehusking breaking the cocoa bean into a cocoa nib and separating it with a cocoa husk, which I'll be explaining you in the factory. Yeah. Okay. So these cocoa nibs are then moved into a cocoa processing, liquor processing unit, which becomes like a paste here. As you see this is a hard paste. So the cocoa beans are crushed under a stone and they're processed into a cocoa liquor. This is the cocoa liquor. So this is the cocoa butter, which is again extracted from a cocoa bean only, but we don't do that. We are getting it from the farmers from Kerala directly, and we use it for making the chocolate,
I
the
have a
final
question
tablet.
here.
Yes.
Either of these two
Yes.
do not have any sweetness in them, right?
Yes, they don't have any sweetness.
So does it taste very bittery?
Yes, it is very bittery. You can try the nib and you'll come to know that how bitter it is, how acidic it is, and the real taste of the cocoa.
And I think I'm
It's a
sure
raw
even the
form.
acidity must have been carried to.
Yes,
even
this is very, very acidic. It has a high acidity level, which will eventually go with the conching method, what we will be doing in
Where
a
you will be
process.
reducing
Yes,
the acidity
yeah,
level.
and it's run for almost 48 hours. Yeah.
So this is cocoa butter.
Yeah, this is cocoa butter. This is again coconut sugar, coconut palm sugar, which we are recently started to make for our chocolate bars, and also we use refined sugar. So we have an option of making it with coconut sugar, and also with refined white sugar.
So that is more like organic.
This is 100% organic from organic farmers, again from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
So
So
this is,
you are also making organic chocolate.
yes, we are making organic chocolate bars with coconut sugar, and we are making with refined sugar also.
Do you also have sugar-free bar?
We have sugar-free bars. We are using stevia for the sugar-free bars. Yeah.
Brilliant.
So here are the after the whole process is, we have to first conch the cocoa mass with one of the sugars for almost 48 hours, and during the process we add a little butter to get the fluidity, And once we achieve the correct purity, we again conch it for almost all 48 hours.
Wow.
So the whole process is about 48 to 72 hours. If you want a very good refined taste with a good snap, after the chocolate is conched, we rest the chocolate for almost 24 hours because it's in liquid form. Then we temper the chocolate the next day and we convert it into these big blocks. So this is a 75%. So
Here I have a question.
Yes.
A general public or audience or the innocent audience do not understand what is 75%, what is 66%.
Yes.
Do they have, apart from sugars and other, what are the things?
So the overall percentage of cocoa is 75% in the chocolate. The rest of the 25% is the sugars.
Sugars and the cocoa butter.
Yeah, sugar and the cocoa butter. So pure cocoa form is 75%.
Okay.
That's how you get the bitteriness of the chocolate.
75%
Yeah,
pure.
so the more high percentage of chocolate, the more bitter it will be, the more acidic it will be. Yeah. And these can be used for baking as well. So after this, we have three types of chocolate, 75, 66 and 55% dark chocolate. We then convert them into smaller form of tablet. We call this chocolate bars. These are the small chocolate bars, which are again repacked and made into the retail form for our stores. So also we have the vegan form. Since we do not use any milk powder and the whole process of milk is not involved in this, so it's also a pure form of vegan also. And the sugars are from coconut sugar, yes.
Yeah, then it's
Yeah.
Pure, it can be
Yeah.
termed as vegan
Yeah.
chocolate. Nice, perfect. So, apart from these plain chocolate and cocoa butter and the sugars, do you have any flavoring agents which are added into
Yes,
chocolate?
we add, so since I can show you some of these, we add some, fried, frozen dried berries. We have some flavored with pepper, with spiced almonds. So we spice the almond and then we use it in our bar. So it has a very nice chili taste of the almond. Then we have with orange candied. We are using a very new technique which I recently learned from a French chef to make the candied orange. It's a very lengthy process. So also candy and orange candy and a dark chocolate goes very good blend. It tastes very good.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So,
Also we have with pink salt,
yeah, I was just going through.
and
things.
we also
So,
have
a
filter coffee. We have a rosemary. Yeah.
Nice, excellent.
Yeah.
So now we are more excited to see the entire process of making
Absolutely.
from bean to bar.
Yes.
Shall we go now?
Yes.
Now we are in the cocoa processing unit, and Harish is going to take us through the entire process.
Yeah. So Sankalp, here is the cocoa processing roaster. This is the first step of actually starting the planning of cocoa chocolate, making chocolate. So we start with roasting the chocolate, cocoa beans first, and then from here we have these cocoa beans already in here. These are the cocoa beans. We roast them at 140 degrees for about 45 minutes, and then we cool them after roasting the process. We cool them for like 6 hours or so, and then this is a cocoa breaking unit. Here
Okay.
we put the cocoa beans here. It goes through here, and then it breaks the cocoa beans, and then it falls here.
The husk comes
Yeah,
out
with the
of-
husk. It comes out with the husk.
With the husk.
Yeah. Then from here, after collecting the broken cocoa beans, we move here into the winnower. So this is the winnowing machine. The cracked beans are then put into this winnowing machine, which is gone through a pressure system in this blower system, where the husk and the cocoa nibs are separated and collected in these two different collection points. Here is the cocoa nib and here is the cocoa husk.
Okay. So from here we go to the next step.
Yeah, from here we go into the next step, which is extracting the cocoa liquor from the cocoa nibs. And this is the cocoa liquor processing machine. So the cocoa nibs that we collected from the winnower will be put into this machine, and it has a stone grinder in between, which grinds the stone and makes the cocoa liquor extract, which is used for making the final chocolate bar.
So now I'm going to taste this. It's so yum. This is actual silk.
Okay, Sankalp, so this is the last but one step before we go for making the final chocolate. This is called a melanger. So in the melanger, we put the cocoa mass, where we conch the cocoa mass for almost 48 hours to release all the acids which are there in the cocoa bean. Once the acids are released, we add the sugar and then we grind for another 12 hours to achieve a nice viscosity and a nice flavor.
So about 48 to 72 hours process happens.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Brilliant. I can feel the aroma.
Yeah, you can see the acidity smell
Ah.
releasing from it. Yeah.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
Sankalp, this is the last stage of chocolate where we temper the chocolate and we pour it into the molds and we make the bars. So tempering is a process where we bring the chocolate to 40 degrees and then reduce it down by laying it on the table at 27 degrees and we reheat it and bring it back to 29 degrees. And once we achieve that temperature, we pour it on the mold. Why? Because we have to get a good snap, we have to achieve a good shine, and that is a very important process to temper the chocolate. Otherwise, you would not enjoy a chocolate without tempering. So, yeah.
Wow. This is so tempting.
Yeah, you can see how it's flowing, the fluidity. Yeah.
Dude.
This is how we make a chocolate from bean to bar.
Oh. Did you hear that sound? The crack. That's one hell of a chocolate. Amazing, silky, non-acidic, brilliant, amazing. So this is how the whole process of making bean to bar. Thank you so much, Harish, for letting
You're
us
welcome.
here and show our customers. Sorry. Thank you, Harish, for letting us into your factory and going through the entire process of making bean to bar, and it was amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Sankalp. It was a pleasure having you here and showing you the whole process of making a bean to bar chocolate.
Brilliant. And to know more about the number of products they make, just see the scrolling. Until then, do subscribe and like it. Thank you, and I'm going to have a whole bar. I'm loving it. Wow. हो गया भाई